running the show. So if anything, you've got somebody better looking to look at. Right, okay. Make some noise. What's everybody been buying? Lots of plastic. Right, so before we get started with all the people you've come to see, we're going to invite Mr. Billy, who's our deputy committee head, to go through all of the boring things. So give Billy a big round of applause and a cheer, because he's a little bit shy. And late. Billy, 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 Billy.
I'm going to do that every year. Billy waiting for you guys really pays off. I'm going to jump up with you, even though you're probably going to be blinded. Hello, everybody! Hello! My name is Billy, and I have lots of boring things that are going to make your, weekend better. So please do listen to them. As everybody knows, fire alarms never happen at conventions. Especially at conventions in Birmingham.
Yep.
Yeah, pretty true. I mean, this year, because we were worried we weren't going to have a fire alarm, we went and caused some civil unrest. We have to top ourselves every year. We thought riot was the way to go, quite frankly. So, just in case one of those things does happen, there are fire exits all over this place. Now, there's some statistic that I can't remember, so I'm going to lie, which says that something like 90% of people will go through the same door they came in through in the event of a fire. That's really clever, unless the fire's there, so don't do that. There's a fire exit there, there's one there, there's one there, there's the one you came through, there's one on the far side, there's even one back there. That's my stewardess part done for the evening. Morning actually. It's been a long few days already.
Oh yes.
Oh baby. Right. We had a first aider in the crowd somewhere today. There he is, Mr. Simon Skay.
Yeah.
Everybody look at him. Now, what we also have this year, we have lots of volunteers. You'll see that all of the committee members and assistants are wearing rather fetching t-shirts like this. Like that. If you'd like to model the back for me as well, David. Do the twirl, man. Do the twirl. If you need anyone... Okay.
How quickly they turn.
They don't want to see the committee tattoos we've had done underneath. Okay, if you need anything, give us a shout. In addition to that, there are a whole plethora of volunteers around. They're wearing fluorescent armbands because I'm worried about their road safety. And also so we can all find them. So if you need any first aid or anything else, give a volunteer a shout. They'll come and give us a shout. And once we can campaign, we'll stop you all up. Okay, now, because Dean isn't here, and he usually does the staff introductions, we're pretty much going to do them. So I'm going to start calling people out. Now, I must stress, this is not an exhaustive list of everybody who's been involved in AA this year. The list is massive. From the very start, we've got so many volunteers. I mean, we keep getting them, every single day. So if we can have a round of applause just for the volunteers first of all. So what we're going to do, now that you've had me, and I really am the main dude, we're going to run through some of the main committee members and assistants who've made all this possible today. And if you could show them your appreciation, that would be fantastic. So, in the absence of Dean, and because David and I are already here, I'm going to call out everybody's favourite twins, not Skids and Mudflap, David and Steve Mapes.
Wait a minute.
Hello, I'm Steve, he's hiding in the corner with our brother. Well, we put on the toy display each year, we sponsor the event and do a bit of promotion. So feel free to take photographs, as long as you don't take the toys, let's scan them. Especially the ones that aren't asked, we'll get in more trouble.
Okay, next up, you've already had a good look at our Mr. First Aid. I want you to look at the back of him. We're going to drag him out here because quite frankly the back is more attractive. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Simon Skay.
I quite like that one. Can you do it again? Yes, as I'm Simon, I am first aid for the convention for most of this weekend, for as long as I am here. So if any of you do something clever like break a leg, don't put it to me, because I know it's a poor joke, but it's the best I can put it under the spotlight. You all ready to have a good time? Yeah! That's what I like to hear.
I love the way these guys aren't getting a round of applause, but I did, by the way. That's fantastic. There we go! We needed a delayed entrance. It still works for these people. Okay, next up is our AV man and a whole lot more, Mr. Andy Turnbull.
I'll try and keep this clean, no promises. In addition to making all the horrible feedback noises during the day, I also helped do the South Petroleum Times magazine, which has sold out already, so thanks for everyone that bought one, and those that didn't, order one earlier next year.
Okay, it's up to him whether he comes up, because he's on the camera at the back, but our camera dude, Mr. Rick Fieldhouse.
A few words, obviously.
Point everything.
That was inspiring. Okay, he's not the only camera guy in attendance today. We also have Mr. Adam White.
Could you do me a very quick favour? Could you all smile and put on your prettiest faces for me?
He's going to take your picture.
Look lovely in 3, 2, 1. Look lovelier in 3, 2, 1.
He's a professional, people.
Just to confuse things, we have another item to call out. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Slater.
Hi, this is actually my first year helping out in this way with you guys. I've got all my many words, so cheers.
They appreciate the short ones.
Yeah, you know, the less they say, the more these people have to listen to the Scouser. It's really not a good thing. Okay, there are a few people on the list who are not going to be coming up to the stage because, you know, this thing still needs to be run. But I think they all deserve a shout out anyway. So we're going to go to Mr. Sales Table Man Colin Pringle. Rick's ever-suffering Mrs. Mary Wardle. You told me to say that, Rick. The man who did all the artwork for AA this year, and there's not all of it, but you'll see later on, there's some fantastic stuff coming up. Mr. Ed Perry. The lady with the amazing hair who's got the unenviable job of sitting outside so you people can get through the doors, Miss Lola Gutchen. I'm making a special appearance on behalf of Auto Assembly Europe. I cannot say your surname, mate, but Big Pete! Which brings me to the secret bit where I get to embarrass people. Ladies and gentlemen, if you were here last year, you will have noticed that somebody was missing. Somebody who was here an awful lot in 2009, and we missed it and we want him back. Everyone's favourite kitty cat, Mark Brady. And wherever you are, Mark, I want you up here.